evening, Snapchat. I feel like I've been super quiet the last couple weeks, so figured I would give you a little heart-to-heart tonight. I don't know why, I was just in the mood. So, if you haven't figured it out yet, I started working at the Bikery coffee shop a couple weeks ago, which is why now you're seeing all these fun snaps of different coffee tricks, and hopefully I'll be able to show you what I'm learning as I get trained as a barista coming up, I think this week. Fingers crossed. So that's one update. What else? Let's see. Don't freak out, but I did set my intentions with the new moon to move off of my boat soon. So, I don't know where or how or what that's going to entail, but I'm ready for the next chapter in my life. So, I'm looking for like a small little land-based place right now and seeing what happens. So that's another update that I've been really quiet on. Gosh, where have I been all week on Snapchat? I think other than that, I've just been teaching a lot of yoga at Anytime Fitness and really starting to feel in my element. So really enjoying like my one-on-one time with my clients there, and really excited for that to continue to grow. And I'm gonna leave you with a little link to my Instagram because I did start live streaming again. Oh yeah, that was the other thing. I started live streaming again. I'm gonna use Instagram Live. I finally made a decision, and you can expect to find question and quote of the day live streams over there, and random tutorials on things like handstand walls, or wall handstands. Though you did miss out on a pretty epic wall twerking thing at the gym that I did not get to video, but maybe next time. Okay, good night, guys. Bye.